Do you know your garage door is your house first impression? Make it impressive, make it unforgettable. We have the new glass doors, we have the Canyon Ridge louver, we have a new product called steel doors, and we have the aluminum doors. The aluminum doors are anti-rust, and they're very good if you're close to the beach. We do it right the first time, and we do not subcontract any other person. We have our own employees, which are trained by Pedro, who has over 20 years of experience in the industry. We are passionate about our customer service. We do it right the first time, and we make sure that my customer receives the design that they're looking for. I am with them with beginning to end, finding the perfect door for their house, finding the perfect match, the perfect color. It is amazing to see the end result and see that smile on my customer face at the end when the installation is completed. We are one of the top garage doors down in the Florida Keys. We were voted the most reliable and trusted garage door within Monroe County. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, or call us at 305-262-8089.